Good afternoon, everybody. This is Cynthia from Third Day Soaps Garden. May 26th. Oh, no, I'm sorry, May 20th. I believe. Day 20th? 25th. I'm sorry. Oh, boy. Working at home, you forget what day it is. It's May 25th, 2021. And I'm getting ready. I just made some lavender soap, which I kind of messed up over there in my Vanco big mixer over there because it was going so fast. That's what happens when you don't soap for a couple weeks. You get real stupid when it comes to trying to figure out what to do next. So you got to stay on your game. Talking to myself here. Anyhow, this is my lavender and tea tree soap. This is 240 ounces of soap batter. It's traced really, really well. And I'm going to pour it in here. This thing is heavy. I don't know how to do it. We're going to work this out. I've been doing it, so we're going to, so I'll work out that later. But it's really, 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 really heavy. And I usually pick it up like this, do a little lean, and pour it in there. This bad boy heavy. I do one without being in a basket, because I test for velocity. Then I do the rest. Okay, good pour. And one more. Everyone's having a good day. Velocity one right there. Lavender and tea tree. A couple here. You see that light over there? I have 4 and 1 to check for velocity that I don't put in a cage. Okay. Another one here. Like I said, this was 240 ounces of oil. So far I've got 5. I think I'm going to do oh, the table's not level. I'm like, why was that full? Okay, I'm just making sure. I think I want a little bit more on this one. And this one. There we go. Now that looks like love to me right there. Okay. Push these together. I don't have to move them because this table isn't real level, but it'll be a minute before these getting tighter. But I've got some silicone over here that I'm going to fill up. But I'm going to put my pineapple upside down cake soap in this one. Those are the molds there. Move this over here. And I believe there's 110 ounces of this one, of the pineapple upside down cake one. I still got to figure out something for this one. I don't know if I want to make another loaf or not. I don't. Hope everybody's having a really, really, really good day. I think I'll do some sample sheets. And I can cut these up, see? And they're like 1.5 ounces. I made such a mess down here today. I don't know what it was. Some days I just be goopy and in my shop. Some days I just be goofy in here. So the table's uneven, but I'm gonna move these very shortly. Okay. So I got that one. Okay, gotta find some more molds. Why do I have a lot to clean up today? Making soap is so much fun and so peaceful. I don't do how-to soaps anymore. I mean, there's enough of those on YouTube, Instagram. If I see one more soap, so I like to watch the pour, baby. Let's pose something. I'm just gonna use all kind of molds, okay? How about that? Let's see. What else do I want to pull up off this bag?